Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 14th, 2021. This is our Doge price prediction update in the market. We're going to talk about what has occurred since our last video about Dogecoin, and we got you. We're going to tell you all where we're expecting the price to go, all without being confused. So if you want to learn more, if you want to participate, hit the like button, share, subscribe, come back here and watch these videos as often as possible so that you can become more proficient and understanding about how the market really operates, because it is not what everyone else is trying to tell you. Okay, there's a couple of laws that is being implemented in the market to ensure that the trap creates just that, a market. And if he can't create a market, then there will be no trades going on. It's just that simple. So if you follow him, you can actually beat him to where prices are anticipated to go so that you can win more often than lose. This is what we're all about. This is what we're going to show you. And we've been doing this since like 2017, right? And we've been on par, definitely been beating the market compared to what he's been doing versus to what our expectations were. So you need to follow us and join us as we continue to show forth that you're able to do the same thing. So now, this is it. It's been a couple of days, 4 days since we did our last price prediction in Dogecoin. And we told you all to expect the price to go higher. And initially it didn't do it, right? We had our trend in play. And one thing I would tell you that we got incorrect is the trend, right? The market trend was not here. Where it was a little bit lower, okay? Which is right there. So that's what we got wrong on May the 10th, 2021, was where the trend actually was at. Because here was the first time the market in Dogecoin came and created and confirmed the overall trend in the market. And then just yesterday, we've seen the market in Doge come and bounce off that same line. So the trend is still in play in Dogecoin, right? The market strength is still seen in Dogecoin. So overall, the overall premise into the market is that it is still healthy. There is still strength here in the market in Dogecoin. So our prediction that we did on May the 11th was pretty much still on course. Now we identified this area of support though, okay, right there around 51 cents, 50 cents to be maintained as support. Dogecoin clearly has broken that to the downside, but you can see on today, we came right back to where we expected the price to be. Okay, we saw the market in Doge top out so far today up right there around 57 cents. Okay, so I think I said we would TP out the market, take some profits off the table around 55 cents, which would have given us 5.25%. If you would have came in on the high of today, that'd be about 9%. So I still think that the market strength in Doge is still there, especially if we're able to see this market close above our support area, now acting as restriction in the market, which is around 50 cents. Okay. So that is going to be the crossroads to make that determination as to whether or not the market in Dogecoin is going to continue to go higher, or we're going to see this market break back down to our ascending line. It's right there around 51 cents, 52. All right, so keep that in mind. Let's take this away and let's get a clear picture. Let's zoom out. Very nice picture that we're seeing right now on the price chart for Dogecoin. Okay, you guys can tell that the market is continually show us that it wants to continue to trade alongside that ascending line. That's great. Until we see that break, our expectations will be for Doge to continue to go higher in price. It's just that simple. It's not complicated. So let me take a look at this on the 2-day time frame in the market in Dogecoin, and I like it. The market over the last two-day price bars has reflected that there was a lot of selling going on, whether it was because of Elon participating on Saturday Night Live, whatever the case may be, that many people acted on that and tried to pursue the market movement lower, but it has no impact on the overall price movement in Doge. You guys can tell we're seeing the market come right back up to where we started. So that tells me that the market in Dogecoin still has enough energy to continue to go higher. Now, the only issue is how high can we expect the market to go? Okay, so one of the clearest areas that I'm seeing as restriction is right here. Okay, in or around this particular area. It's not going to be precise, but this is where the next area of restriction is going to be in Doge. Okay, so let me make this playground for you. So this area right here is going to be the area that we need to focus in on. Okay, we need to pay attention to what the market does in or around those two lines on this chart. If we continue to see strength bounce off that ascending line or even higher above that ascending line, we know the strength is still in control. And as we see the market and Doge come up here towards 60 cents and we see weakness, we know the market is going to drop. That's it. So right now, the market is geared to try to test that area though of 60 cents as restriction. Okay, so we're still going to expect that. We're still going to expect the market in Doge to continue to try to see that progress moving higher. We've already seen some instances to where the weakness is coming through, and it's right here around this area. Okay, around 55 cents. So yeah, in the beginning phase, we can see the market in Doge drop in price, but we have a couple of areas of support that I'm going to show you here, that as long as the market trades above that area, 45 cents, we're still amped and have enough power to continue to go higher. It's just that simple. So what we're going to do in this particular market video is we're still going to predict the market strength in Dogecoin. Now, we're not going to be as bullish, as some of these other individuals are, telling you that Dogecoin is going to hit $3,000, $4,000. We're not going to be that outlandish. We're going to be more realistic into where we're expecting price to go. So let's do this real quick. Like I told you, we're going to play the strength into the market only up there towards 60 cents. Okay, so that would give us about what, almost 15% profitability to where the market in Dogecoin is. This area of 45 needs to be maintained as support. If we break 45 cents to the downside, then understand that the next area to be tested will be alongside that ascending line, and I'll be cool with that. As long as the market continues to reflect the strength and we bounce off that ascending line, I already know what to expect. You should too, that the market is going to continue to go higher in price. Okay, so we got two areas to prop up this price. Support around 45 cents, which will be the best outcome. But if we can't hold 45 cents, then the ascending line will be our last ultimate outcome to continue to see this price go higher. Okay, but yeah, we're still going to play the strength into the market. Initially, in the beginning, day or so, yeah, the market in Dogecoin can continue to drop in price, which is why I'm telling you where we're expecting the market to try to come in and grab some support already. Okay, so be under the mind frame that yeah, the price in Doge can drop in price in the first phase, but we're playing this out over the next couple of trading days, 3 days, 4 days, to give us the ability to continue to watch this market, that it has enough momentum to continue to go higher in price. So that's it. We're in position. We've updated the price prediction into the market in Dogecoin, and we're still seeing the strength here. So now it's your turn. If you want to learn more, take the opportunity out right now and try to call the market. We've done our job. This is what we're expecting the trap to do. So now it's your turn. Take the time just to tell me, what do you all expect the market to go? There's no right or wrong answers. You all can see whatever you want to see on the price chart, and then you're able to build your narrative around that. So just do it. Drop the comment in the comment section and let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.